Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shruti and in today's video we'll be talking about lenses. Now I've never worn lenses before ever in my life and this is the first time I'll be wearing it that way in front of you guys. Little nervous but super excited when I got the package because I have never worn it. A. B. I was super excited to see how it looks on me and the quality of it because some lenses tend to look a little fake and I'm not really a fan of it. I'm really excited to see the results and how it looks on me, and I'm going to be including everything in this video, how I'll wear it, how to remove it, how to take care of it, everything, because someone like me who has never worn it before, it's a big challenge. I was really confused on what to do. I did a lot of research. I'll be including everything in this video, so make sure you watch it till the end, and yeah, let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like. The lenses are from the brand TTDI and I absolutely love the holographic packaging. Inside this I have two lenses. The first one is Queen Green and look at that holographic box. It looks so good. And the other one is Queen Blue. Both the lenses are from the Queen collection and is supposed to look super natural. So let's see how they look on me. It also comes with the case to keep the lenses, which is really good. I bought two lenses, so they gave me two cases as well. Also there is a small mirror and some stickers in the packaging. Left and right is written on the case, so you don't have to worry about that. It also comes with this tool which is helpful to pick up the lenses and another one to apply it. I don't really like to use this, I just use my fingers. Make sure you have the lens solution. You won't get this with the lens, so you need to buy it from pharmacy or any lens shop. Brand doesn't matter. Inside the box you will get the lens, both left and right ones, stored in a container. Make sure you fill the case with the lens solution you bought. Another very important tip is do not use the liquid that the lens come in with to store the lenses. Just drain it out. That's not what it's meant for. Use the lens solution that you bought and pour that in the case to store the lens. Next, take the lenses out and store it in the case. Let it sit and cleanse for at least 8 hours before you put them on. I like to keep it overnight and wear it the next day. Also, these lenses will last you 1 year after you open up the packaging, so please dispose it after an year. Also, none of my lenses are prescription lenses. I don't need them to see. It's just for casual wear, but you can get prescription lenses as well from TTDI. Now let's see how to put the lenses on and take it out. I really like my natural eye color. It's light brown or hazel. So let's see if these lenses will be able to cover that and look natural on my eyes. Using the tool that it comes with, I'm going to take the lens out of its case and shake out the excess solution off, because when the lenses are too wet, they fold into themselves, which is really difficult to put on. You can use the tool that it comes with to put on the lens, but I like to use my fingers. Make sure that your hands are clean. Adjust it and blink. That will help the lens to fit right in. Now let's take them off. I just use my finger, but if you have long nails like mine, just be very careful. You may damage or tear the lens. They are very delicate. Also change the solution in the case before you put them back in every time you use them. Cool, now let's see how these lenses look on my eyes. The first one I'm trying is Queen Green. Left hand side is with the lens and the right hand side is without, and you can clearly see that it looks very natural on my eyes. It covers the brown very well and no one can tell that I'm wearing lenses from far. The lens is thin, so it's not uncomfortable at all. The next one is Queen Blue, and this one is my favorite because this looks the most natural on me. Covers the brown very well and looks super natural. I would highly recommend to check out the Queen collection because the lens looks super natural and realistic. The lens quality is good and it's super comfortable as well. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite.
Smile more when you come by. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face.
lens was your favorite, and if you want to get them for yourself, I'll put all the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out and use the code Shruti to get 10% off on their website. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.